Example problem 19 asks us to solve for the molecular weight of glucose. So the elements in glucose are carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. The atomic weight of carbon is 12.01 grams. Hydrogen is 1.008 grams, and oxygen is 16 grams. There are 6 carbon atoms present, 12 hydrogen atoms present, and 1 oxygen atom present. So, multiplying row 2 by row 3, 12.01 times 6 is 72.06 grams. 1.008 times 12 is 12.096 grams. And 16 times 1 is 16 grams. So adding up row 4, 72.06 plus 12.096 plus 16 is a total molecular weight of 100.156 grams. Let me know if you have any questions about example problem 19.